Now let us discuss briefly what are the primary ventilator modes. No. Ventilator mode is a way of describing how the ventilator assists the patient with inspiration. So the characteristic of a particular mode controls how the ventilator function. When we said the volume control, we control the volume. We said pressure control, we control the pressure. So understanding this ventilator mode is very important in terms of giving mechanical ventilation to the patient. So the primary control modes that we are going to discuss is the volume control. So volume control means that you can set or control the patient tidal volume. So with a set tidal volume and the set respiratory rate, this means that there is a known minute ventilation. So this is good when it comes to making adjustment to achieve a desired PCO2. So one of the negative aspect of this one is that when we use volume control, since the tidal volume is preset, if the patient lung compliance were to decrease, this could result in high peak pressure. So another drawback of volume control is that the patient might have ventilator dyssynchrony. Now the pressure control. Pressure control means that you can control the patient's pressure in order to achieve a desired tidal volume. As with volume control, a pressure-controlled tidal volume and set rate can help you reach a desired PCO2. The main disadvantage of using pressure control is the patient's tidal volume can potentially be unstable if there are changes in the patient lung compliance or airway resistance. While in the assist control mode, the ventilator delivers a mandatory breath at the set rate, but the patient can also trigger additional assisted breath of the same strength. So this is used at the decision of ventilation when you want to give a full support. No, the risk of this ventilator support is that it triggers too many breaths that can cause patient to hyperventilate. So if the partial carbon dioxide drops, pH rises, and respiratory alkalosis arise. Next mode is that the SIMB mode or SIMB plus pressure support or plus CPAP. So this mode is already for weaning. So SIMB gives a mandatory breath plus let the patient breathe spontaneously. So you can use this mode if the patient breathes by him or herself, no? So pressure support augments every spontaneous breath that the patient takes. So it is like helping a hand on a chest. CPAP also is the last step of mechanical ventilation before extubation. It is called continuous pressure, no mandatory breaths. The patient does all the work themselves. If they tolerate CPAP, they are most likely to be extubated.